So this is what my new Toro looks like. It's just huge. I mean, the blades, 2 blades, 30 inches wide, cutting swath, big giant 223cc engine. And this one, I figured, screw it. I figured that I'm getting older. I'm not going to get any younger at this. So, pull starting, that's for young people. This has an electric start right here. And you have a key under here. There's key. Electric start. And this is going to be great. Yes, it did cost a little bit of money. But if you have wide open ground and no hills or no valleys or sharp corners or whatever, and this is one step below a riding lawnmower. And I actually like these better. But we'll see how well it works. Of course, here's the Honda gyro with... hi, cat. What are you looking at? Get out of there. These cats are always trying to get back in the house for some reason. That one's goofier than hell. Here's my Honda gyro, 1985. There's my lawnmower. Here's the Honda Dio or Elite. This is the racing one, as is called. There's another racing pipe of mine. And there's a great racing pipe. There's a gyro, my 2013 Zuma, which I use in the summer. And of course my 600R, which I only use when I feel like it. Okay, great.